So you can see my clutter right here. I was just done making videos. And as you can see, there's my lighting setup. And it's actually like, what time is it? What time is it? It's 12:49. So I haven't had lunch yet. And that's the plan. Let's have lunch. But before that, as a content creator, one of the things that I have to do is to wear makeup and then remove makeup and then wear makeup again and then remove it. Since I only do my makeup for the videos, I have to remove my makeup after making those videos. Oh no, it's broken. Ow! I wanted to make this video aesthetic and stuff, but like I'm just gonna give up on that. I'm just gonna be funny. Okay, there you go. I'm done harvesting all my lashes. So now I'm gonna remove my makeup and I'm gonna clean my desk. There you go. I don't have a lot of things, but yeah. I put all my lashes here. These are the broken ones. I'm just gonna throw it in my bin. So I'm just gonna, what is it again? What am I gonna do again? Oh wait, I said I was gonna remove my makeup. I was trying to film using my back camera and I can't see what I'm filming, so I had to put the mirror in here. So anyways, let's remove my makeup. Oh my God. I'm so guilty for this, but this is from my breakfast. This is from yesterday, and this is from yesterday, and this is from today. It's a bad habit, but I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna wash the dishes after. I said I was gonna sleep right, but I ended up editing my videos on TikTok for almost 2 hours. So it's already 3 p.m. and now I'm actually gonna sleep.